trying hard to be someone else. All we want is please. Giving no time to breathe. This is our identity.
Well guys, I was headed to my parents' house out at Beaver Lake. Here I am. And believe it or not, this is where I got my old truck stuck. So one day it was really low. It wasn't this low. This is the lowest I've ever seen it. One day it was really low. I came over here, I was like, I want to go mudding. So that's what I always did in my old truck. And so I came over here, made it past that little river part, and then all of a sudden it just sunk. So I called my boss at the time, asked him if he'd come out, try to pull me out. He came out, got to like right here, sunk. Then I had to call a tow truck. Ended up the tow truck got stuck, and then another tow truck had to come pull us out. It took all night. $700 later, so I finally got my truck out, and here I am with my big red truck, and I'm not gonna do it. So I kind of learned my lesson, I guess. I think I can make it, but I'm not gonna do it. I just want to show you guys. It's kind of a funny story. I'll put a picture up right here of whenever that happened. But I was terrified. My mom was so pissed. But yeah, so I just wanted to. It's crazy. So I've never seen it this low. But you can see. So you can see people have been going through it, but I'm not gonna do it this time. So just want to show you guys that. So happy. So I don't know when this came, like when this got here, but we've been at this dock for, I don't know, since I've been alive, and this has never been here. We used to have a jet ski here, right there, but I have never seen that. So I don't know if that means that that's ours now, which, you know, I'll take it. It's a huge storage thing. So, you know, I'm just gonna go ahead and claim it, I guess.
Fill me out with your smile, now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame, I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down, 'cause with you I'm safe and sound, 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 safe and sound.
Decided I'd try to get a head start on that tan. This is so cool, guys, and I feel like I'm always afraid to, you know, do stuff like this, to go out and explore and, you know, kind of be active, just because I was trying to bulk and I lose weight so fast. Coop will fetch all day long, and then he'll eat the sticks. So get your stick, get it, get your stick, bub, get it, bring it to me, bring it to me, get it up here, get it up here. Just got back in the truck, low-key dying right now. Haven't done cardio in forever. Sorry about how blinding I am. Hopefully that'll be gone after today. So yeah, it's 65 right now. I think yesterday it was about this warm, not quite this warm. It's just been going up though, so that's great. I can't wait to be back on the lake to you know, just play with my dog, take him out hiking, stuff like that. It'll be nice because I'll be doing cardio and stuff for cutting, so hopefully I'll be able to substitute, you know, some of this like activity for like stair climber, you know, because I don't want to do that. all the time. I'm fine with doing it, but you know, I feel like this would be a good option. This, and there's also that hill at Kessler that we play fetch on, so I think that will work. But no, it's awesome, guys. Can't wait to be back in the lake. We're gonna go to another spot in my neighborhood. That should be pretty cool too. So let's just tag along.
Just let us see what we'll be finding.
You guys didn't know, tip for washing your car, make sure you keep it all wet. Please, once you do one area, go back and spray the rest. That way it doesn't dry, you don't get water spots. And then whenever you're completely finished, you can get a squeegee and clean it all off. So try that. Promise it'll look better, you won't have the water spots.
That's what we have to do when you go swimming. Goop. That's what we have to do when you go swimming. You can't be wet all day. Hey, you can't be wet all day. Okay, hold on.
Alright, just finished up my back and bi workout. I wasn't feeling too good. Wasn't feeling very strong when I went in, but I got a pump, you know. I think if you work on getting a pump if you're not feeling too good, just stick with lighter weight, doing higher reps and lower rests, like in between. If you do that for a few sets, a few different exercises, kind of get warmed up, get blood flowing in your muscles, and you definitely feel better. So I started feeling way better. Had a great workout. Give that arm circuit a try. Let me know what you think. Comment below. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it and you want to see more Cooper. So that's the main thing. But thanks, guys.